Can you fix lines on Android screen? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply go to Google Chrome and search phone display test. Simply click on whitetestscreen.com. In here, you'll find all the screen colors. Simply make it full screen and make sure if there is still lines. If there is still lines and if you're using specific color and there is no line, it is simply meaning your phone is having some kind of bug. So simply restart your device, and if you still find the problem, it is problem on your display, simply go to any store to fix it. There is no any way to fix it using any kind of app. And this is the answer to can you fix lines on Android screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.